This is DOOGEE T10, and today I will demonstrate you can check your data usage on this device. So firstly, open Settings, then go for the Network and Internet category. In here, if you would like to check the Wi-Fi or VLAN data usage, go for the Internet. Scroll the page all the way down and open the non-carrier data usage page. And here is your Wi-Fi data usage. On the other hand, if you would like to see the amount of cellular data used, get back to the general network and internet page, go for the SIMs, open the SIM cards page. You would like to check the amount of mobile data used through. Then at the top of the page, you can already see the general amount of data used. But if you can also scroll the page down and go for the app data usage in order to see more detailed information for the amount of cellular data used. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.